Hi, my name is Roberta. Welcome to this journey through science. Today, we're diving into Neuroscience, Part 2, a session in our course, Mind, Matter, and the Cosmos, Scientific Possibilities. In this session, we'll explore how our amazing brain connects with technology. We'll learn how computers can understand our thoughts, how artificial intelligence mimics our brain, and what exciting careers are opening up in this field. Introduction. This session helps us understand the brain and its connection to machines. It's important because the future will be shaped by people who understand both biology and technology. We'll explore ideas like brain-computer interfaces and how AI learns like us. You'll also see how this connects to robotics and smart assistants. Let's get started on this mind-blowing adventure. What are brain-computer interfaces? Brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs, let the brain talk directly to machines. These devices pick up signals from your brain and translate them into actions. So, a person can move a robotic arm just by thinking. It sounds like science fiction, but it's real. BCIs are helping people live more independently. How BCIs work. So how do BCIs actually work? They use sensors to read signals from your brain. Then, computers decode those signals and turn them into commands. Finally, these commands can control devices like wheelchairs or computers. It's a three-step process: signal detection, processing, and action. Neuralink, a real-world BCI. One company doing amazing work in BCIs is Neuralink. They've built a tiny chip that can be placed in the brain. It reads your thoughts and sends them wirelessly to a computer. Their goal is to help people who are paralyzed or have memory problems. It's cutting-edge science happening right now. BCI applications today. BCIs are already changing lives. People who can't speak or move can now communicate using these systems. Some use BCIs to play games or explore virtual worlds. They also help with therapy and learning. It's a new way for humans and machines to interact. Introduction to AI and neural networks. Artificial intelligence, or AI, lets machines learn and make decisions. One way they do this is with neural networks. These are systems that copy how our brain's neurons work. They help computers understand speech, recognize faces, and much more. It's like giving machines a brain. How neural networks mimic the brain. Neural networks have layers of artificial neurons. These layers work together to understand information. For example, they might recognize a face by looking at shapes and features. They get better by learning from experience, just like how we learn at school. Understanding deep learning. Deep learning is a special type of AI that uses many layers. It helps machines understand things like pictures or voices. These systems learn from big data and improve with practice. It's like a brain that never forgets and keeps getting smarter. Deep learning powers smart assistants like Siri and Alexa. Smart tech examples using AI. AI is all around us. It's in voice assistants, phones, and even cars. Your phone uses it to recognize your face. Cars use it to drive themselves. These smart systems learn from us and help make life easier. Neuroscience and robotics. Robots today are inspired by our brain. Scientists use neuroscience to help robots move, see, and think. These robots learn from their surroundings. Some are used in hospitals, homes, and even space. They're getting more human-like every day. Robots that learn and move like us. Robots are learning to walk, grab, and balance like humans. They use sensors to adjust their movements, just like we use our eyes and ears. Some robots can even detect emotions. This makes them more helpful and friendly. They're becoming great helpers in many places. AI meets cognitive science. Cognitive science studies how we think and learn. When AI teams up with this science, it helps us understand the brain better. Computers can simulate how we make choices. Scientists use these models to explore learning and behavior. It's tech helping us understand ourselves. Cool studies, predicting human decisions. Some AI systems can predict what we might choose next. They look at patterns in our past behavior. Scientists also use brain scans to study decisions. This helps in marketing, mental health, and game design. It's like a glimpse into the future of our thoughts. What is NeuroAI? NeuroAI combines neuroscience and AI. It's about making smarter technology and understanding the brain better. These two fields help each other grow. NeuroAI creates robots and apps that think like us. It's where science and imagination meet. Why NeuroAI matters? NeuroAI helps build better tools for learning and healthcare. It also helps scientists study emotions and memory. We can use it to solve big problems. It's changing how we live, learn, and heal. This is the science of the future. Cross-disciplinary research. NeuroAI needs teamwork. Brain scientists, programmers, and psychologists all work together. They combine their knowledge to solve complex problems. This kind of teamwork leads to amazing ideas. It's science with superpowers. Famous labs and projects in NeuroAI. Some top labs like MIT and Stanford are leading the way. They build smart robots and BCIs to help people. These labs work on real-world problems. Their research is changing lives globally. It's where dreams turn into discoveries. Careers in NeuroAI. There are many careers in NeuroAI. You can be an AI engineer, a neuroscientist, or a robotics expert. These jobs combine creativity and science. They solve problems and build new technologies. It's a future full of possibilities. Working in cognitive technology. Cognitive tech jobs mix brain science with tech design. You could create apps that understand people's feelings, or analyze data to help improve schools or hospitals. This field is growing fast, and it's looking for curious minds like yours. Exploring brain research careers. If you love biology and tech, brain research is perfect for you. Neuroscientists study the brain's secrets. Cognitive psychologists help people learn better, and engineers build brain-controlled machines. You could help shape the future of science. Wrap up, what we learned and what's next. Today we explored how the brain and machines work together. We learned about BCIs, AI, robots, and NeuroAI. These ideas are changing the world, and you can be part of it. Keep learning, keep dreaming, and never stop exploring science.